Hello for everyone. This is the lesson plan template for face-to-face environment. My name is Edwin Garcia, and this is for adolescents group of A2 level according to the European framework. And the topic would be the simple present with do and does. The objective of this class is to understand the use of the simple present with the auxiliaries do and does. So the class will start with a warm-up. The resources will be two markers or objects of different colors, and the stipulated time for this activity would be 20 minutes. So the warm-up is called This is a Dog and This is a Cat. It's a very nice game. It's also about concentration. That can be a fun game. So the students are organized in a circle, and the teacher begins to circle one of the objects to the right of him or her, the side of the teacher, saying to the students on the right, this is a dog. And at the same time he's doing and he will do the same thing in the left side, saying this is a cat. So this is a dog to the right and this is a cat to the left. The funny part of this game is that the students must continue giving the partner to decide the object, the dog or the cat, dog to the right, cat to the left. But this time the partner that receives the object would say a what, and the student who is giving needs to ask back, in this case to the teacher, a what. So the teacher will be the unique person who will give the answer. So it's a dog, a cat. So each time that the object is passing student to student, they will ask. So the question must go through each student until it reaches the teacher back. A what, and the teacher would say a dog, a cat, a dog, a cat. There will come a time when the circle will be carrying the two objects. The circle would find the one who is going in the right direction, will find the one who is going in the left direction, and it would be like a mix of questions between everyone. It can be a very nice concentrated game, but at the end it's very funny. It's a very funny game. And the stipulated time for this warm-up is 20 minutes. For the presentation, the teacher will introduce himself or herself to the students, check the order, and take notes of the attendance. It's very important, as I mentioned before, to have a control of the participants that are attending the class. And at the same time, he will or she will summarize the schedule, what would be the class about. And the stipulated time for this presentation will be 10 minutes. Now let's move to the practice. The teacher will develop a masterful, majestic explanation of the simple present using the board. We'll explain the structure and the formula of do and does. When I say formula, it's like subject plus verb in present with the concordance of the third person plus verb plus complement. But he will need to explain a different structure. If it's a question, so it would be do, does plus subject plus verb plus complement. If it's negative, subject plus do or does plus not negative negative word plus verb plus complement, and so on. The stipulated time for this explanation is going to be 20 minutes. For the productions, the students develop a practice activities uh, when they complete sentences in the simple present related to the agreement of the third person of the singular, adding s, es, ies, the use of doing thus in questions and negations, and all of this will be related with vocabulary of daily routine at the school, for example. In this assessment, the students will give to the teacher in a piece of paper the specific formula for sentence in simple present, just simple present, giving the concordance to the third person, giving two examples of that, and then two examples of interrogative sentences, of course, plus the formula, and the formula of negative sentences plus two examples. And for this activity, the student will have 20 minutes, as 20 minutes we were using in the previous production using a photocopy, student book, and the note. Thank you very much.